The National Assembly resumed this afternoon, but for a special sitting to discuss the relevance of Kenya's membership to the Rome Statute, with Majority Leader Aden Duale moving a motion seeking the House's approval to repeal the International Crimes Act, hence withdrawing Kenya as a signatory to the Roman Statute.
80% of the world population don't subscribe to the ICC and to the Rome Statute. To speak a great populous nation, the United States, China, Russia, India, Pakistan, Indonesia, Israel, Japan are not members of the ICC.
The ruling side defended the move to withdraw Kenya from being one of the 122 states that are signatories to the Rome Statute, arguing that the court was open to international influence.
Bill Clinton said he told Bush to withdraw the America from the Rome Statute. And among the 5 reasons he gave, one fundamental one was that he said this court can be manipulated politically.
The majority leader argued that the ICC had been corrupted to ignore signatories of the Rome Statute, including Kenya's Attorney General and Foreign Affairs Minister, and thus sticking to the statute would threaten the sovereignty of the nation, a motion seconded by Mukurweini legislator Kabando wa Kabando, who called upon the National Assembly to front what he termed as a liberation move.
And I think it's incumbent upon all of us to say, for once, on this special evening, I want to dance to the tune of the patriotic African songs through supporting the motion by Aden Duale, not because he belongs to that side of the coalition, but because this is the most sovereign thing to do.
However, the passing of the motion received negative reaction from the court side, who cautioned the government against pulling out, as it would create a negative impression at the international arena.
What impression or what message are we sending to the ICC court at this point when our cases are about to start? Even when we want to help, the timing was poor.
CORD questioned the urgency of the motion, saying the House would have reconvened to debate more weighty issues like the much criticized VAT Act.
We were of the hope and the opinion that we were going to be called in as a matter of urgency into this House. Then we would have been told that Kenyans' lives are at stake due to external and internal forces, and that can be classified as an emergency.
Majority Leader Aden Duale will now table a bill in 30 days, which, if approved, will see Kenya cease to be a member of the Rome Statute.